If you're too open-minded, your brains will fall out. Imagination is more important than knowledge. Knowledge is limited. Imagination circles the world. Animals are such agreeable friends. They ask no questions. They pass no criticism. If your business is not on the internet, then your business will be out of business. Democracy is the worst form of government, except all those other forms that have been tried from time to time. Please don't call me arrogant, but I am European champion, and I think I am the special one. The problem with doing nothing is that you never know when you're finished. Some cause happiness wherever they go, others whenever they go. The most interesting information comes from children, for they tell all they know and then stop. Liberty, when it begins to take root, is a plant of rapid growth. A dog is the only thing on earth that loves you more than he loves himself. Look deep into nature, and then you will understand everything better. In war, whichever side may call itself the victor, there are no winners, but all are losers. Science found cures for most of our diseases, but could not find the cure from the worst of them, indifference. It is not best to swap horses when crossing streams. The greatest lesson in life is to know that even fools are right sometimes. Nobody dies from lack of sex. It's lack of love we die from. If you focus on results, you will never change. If you focus on change, you will get results. The two most important days are the day you are born and the day you find out why. Some people are on the pitch. They think it's all over. It is now. The difference between stupidity and genius is that genius has its limits. Pennies don't fall from heaven. They have to be earned here on earth. If you pick up a starving dog and make him prosperous, he will not bite you. This is the principal difference between a dog and a man. Always forgive your enemies. Nothing annoys them so much. If you were my husband, I would put poison in your coffee. and if you were my wife, I would drink it.